Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is
YaadMentz.
Season 2. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Season 2. So this week, I want to say today, but this week we came to Hope Zoo.
Yes.
Have you ever been to Hope Zoo before?
Or maybe you've been like a long time ago.
Yeah, long time.
They have really changed up the place. They have really renovated it, and it's really beautiful.
Yes.
In the clips that you will see, you'll be like, wow, this is the same place. It's really
nice place.
They really did an overhaul of this place, and it's really beautiful.
Proper facelift, right?
Yeah.
So we're here today. We come and we visited. We saw some animals that I have never seen before. Like I've never really been close to a lion or a zebra. What about you?
Yeah, I mean, they have a whole variety of different birds that I've never seen before.
Yep.
I came here and saw the lion before and the crocodile, but yeah, they have a wide range of animals, more than what they had before.
Ostrich.
Yeah, all sorts of things, flamingo, all kind of different
monkeys,
animals, birds. They have a lot of birds. They also have a lot of snakes.
Right.
We saw one huge snake, like it was so big.
It's big,
like if you want that snake buck up, you don't say
run for
you're
your
done
life.
for.
No, just run for your life.
No, you're done for. If you hold on for you can't escape. Fact.
Right, so again, the atmosphere is really nice. It's a really nice setup. The trees, it's just like you just come, you can have a group of friends, everybody just come and you just kick back and you just have a chill vibe and just view the animals, and they do have food places here that you can buy food as well.
And they really have expanded in terms of seating. You have a lot of different seating areas, and the seating areas are shaded. You have a lot of coverings and so forth, so you don't have to come and worry about sitting in the sun or being in the sun for the whole day. They also now have a open space, so like if you want to have the kids run up and down, or lay something to sit down, you can do that as well. So they have really expanded, and it's really a really nice atmosphere here at Hope Zoo. Right,
and they do have tour guides, so if you want somebody to tour you around the premises and to show you the different animals and stuff, there are persons here giving tours as well.
They do, and you'll see that they have a little trailer that says Hope Zoo, and so forth.
You around the premises and show you the animals. But for me, what do you think about this experience? How was
the experience? It was awesome. It was awesome, especially being here when it has been renovated versus previously. You can see that they really put a lot of effort into making the place what it is today, and I really want to say big up Hope Zoo for that. It was really a great experience.
For me, I think it's my first time ever been to Hope Zoo. Like seriously, I don't think I've ever been, even as a child. Like they have like school excursions that they take out children to. So I don't think I've been here. So it's my first time. So my first time coming here. I mean, as you enter the premises, just the setup, it was really nice. It's a really first world type of thing. You understand? And just to see the animals, it was fun. You know what I mean? I see them on TV. I've never really seen them in real life. But to see them, it was really fun. It was really amazing that they have these things here in Jamaica that everybody can come view and just to have that experience. So you should come.
Definitely
take your brother, your little sister out, or your cousins or whatever. Even if you're abroad and you come out here in Jamaica,
make sure you come to Hope Zoo. It's a really nice experience. Trust me, a family time, you bring your family here is a good, awesome time.
Yeah, we had fun.
Yeah, we did.
We had fun visiting the place. So
how much did you give them though out of 5?
I'll give them 3.5 out of 5.
Wow.
Yeah.
I would actually give them a 5, Maybe because I'm coming from how it was before.
I never see the lion roar, and I really wanted to see the lion roar.
Come on now, that they're not because you come, they're gonna bore and make noise and stuff like that. Come on now.
But the place is really nice though. For the atmosphere, I give them a 5. But for me, it just. I 3.5. I really wanted to see the lion roar. I really wanted to see the animals giddy up. The ostrich though was really friendly. I went up and she was like open up in her mouth, and she was just like
she was
staring,
ready for the picture. She was ready for the camera. Like she was about this posing life.
Ostrich was ready. Monkeys, some of the monkeys as well were friendly. They came and they look what's happening.
Yeah,
and
they
stuff.
were very curious.
But again, it's a really good look. Really good look. Definitely.
I agree.
YaadMentz thumbs up.
Thumbs up. We recommend you to come here, guys. Trust me, it's worth it.
So guys, thank you again for viewing this episode.
Yes,
and
thank
for
you so
viewing
much.
previous episodes
Definitely.
as well. We are enjoying season 2.
Yes, we're enjoying season 2. We're doing a lot of different creative stuff.
Right.
And we're glad that you guys are here along with us for the ride.
For the ride, definitely.
Definitely.
So remember to like, share, subscribe, and also follow us on where?
Instagram at YaadMentz.
YaadMentz.
Big up on yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Remember to check out our other videos if you haven't. They'll be in the cards. Big up on yourself. Hope you're having a great summer. Bye.
YaadMentz season 2.